Welcome to Carol's Art Room. And I'm Carol, of course. Most of you already know that, but if you're new here, welcome. And I hope you liked my video today. I'm gonna do this little bloom that I thought turned out so amazing. I just love it on this little round wooden piece of wood. I was using these colors to practice for my table. That's coming up after this probably. And I love them, so I did my table in the same colors. So you will see that after it dries. It might take a few days to dry. So if you want to see this bloom, stay tuned. And coming right up. Hi, I'm here and I'm going to do my bloom now. This is just a round that I'm going to go over. And I have some house paint that I tinted blue. Let's pour that on. Take out some air bubbles. As I just stirred it, so. Oh, I think I just wrecked the paint here. A little bit too close. I think it's okay. All right. I'm doing this as a test for colors because I'm going to do a table and I want to see if these colors I like. So I've got a blue base, just a very pale blue. I've got manganese blue, can't pronounce that, by Amsterdam. Manganese, that's it. So I'm going to put that down. Make sure I put enough. It's a pretty blue. There's not too many blues that are semi-transparent, but this one seems to be. I've got, this is a light blue. It's a light blue, permanent light blue in Liquitex Basics. Put some gold. Still seems a bit thick, this gold. Now I have some green blue iridescent by PBO. And I have a Winsor Newton Winsor Blue. I'm going to use white cell activator. I'll give it another light torch. I won't go so close this time. Okay, so I got my cell activator. It's not too thick now. Can you see? I'm gonna try and blow it this time on low. Oh, everything was blowing off my table. Well, I'm kind of disappointed because it didn't blow on low. Maybe one of my paints was too thick. But that's pretty, those colors. I love how it blends like that. Well, that brought out a few more. Colors are beautiful. I think this will look nice on my table. As soon as I figure out what hairdryer to use. I'll thin my cell activator down a bit more maybe. Okay, I'm going to spin it. Let's see if my center is, you gotta wait for the middle to come back. So I better wait a little longer. I think it's still stuck. So which one of these paints was too thick? This one maybe too. for the blowing technique. I love the gold in the middle of the cells. I think there might be one little spot right there. Sometimes you can see if you look right there. I'm gonna spin anyway. I'm not fond of that spot right there, but when I do my table, I won't be able to spin it. I'll just be tilting it, so. I think that's pretty good. There, isn't that awesome? I'm going to leave it right like that. I'll bring in for a close-up. Woohoo! Isn't that gorgeous? I had it taped. There's gorgeous. Thanks for coming by for this one. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And subscribe if you haven't already. Stick around till the end and you'll see the dried results. Thank you. There you go, everybody. There's my dried bloom on my little circle. Dried pretty, really nice. I love this. Look at those gold cells. Anyway, there you go. See how nice it is when it's dry. It didn't move or do anything. I love the cells that have two colors. All right, have a good day. Bye-bye.